Today, I'm gonna show you how to register on the Zangi Messenger app and create a new account in 2025. Whether you're switching from WhatsApp or just trying Zangi for the first time, the process is fast, simple, and secure. First, go to the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. In the search bar, type Zangi Messenger and download the official app. The logo is a blue chat bubble with a white Z. Once the download finishes, open the app. On the welcome screen, you'll see two options, login and create a new account. Since we're registering for the first time, tap on create a new account. Now, Zangi will ask you to choose your preferred method of registration. You can sign up using your phone number, which works like WhatsApp. Just enter your number with the correct country code, and you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Or you can create a unique Zangi ID. This is a username that works independently of your phone number, making it a more private option. For this demo, let's use the phone number method. Enter your number, wait for the SMS code, and type it into the app. Once verified, you'll be asked to create a password and fill in some basic details, like your name and profile photo. If you prefer extra privacy, select the Zangi ID option instead. Just pick a username, set a password, and you're good to go. No phone number is required. After setup, you'll land on the home screen where you can start adding contacts, sending messages, and making calls. And that's it, you've successfully created your new Zangi account in just a few steps. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like and subscribe.